Welcome to this tutorial on equal distribution disaggregation across time periods. First, review the core idea. SAP Integrated Business Planning stores key figure data at its configured base level. When data is displayed, SAP IBP aggregates it to the requested time period, and when data is saved for an aggregated period, SAP IBP disaggregates it back to the base level. Next, the tutorial flow is introduced. In this example, planning area IIM uses key figure adjustedment, displayed as Demand Qty Adj. The key figure uses sum aggregation and equal distribution disaggregation, and the SAP IBP Excel add-in is used to save an aggregated monthly value before reviewing the result at another time level. Before entering data in Excel, the planning model is reviewed in the SAP IBP web application. The planning areas list is displayed, and the IIM planning area is highlighted. Open this planning area to review the configuration used in the example. After opening the planning area detail page is displayed. The Key Figures tab is highlighted because the aggregation and disaggregation behavior is defined on the key figure. Click Key Figures to continue. After clicking Key Figures, the key figure list is displayed and Adjustedemand is highlighted. This key figure is displayed in the planning view as Demand Qty Adj. Click the key figure ID to open its details. After opening the key figure details, the characteristics section is displayed. The disaggregation mode field is highlighted and shows equal distribution. This means a value saved at an aggregated time period is split evenly across the relevant lower-level periods during disaggregation. Next, transition to Microsoft Excel. The planning view is displayed at the monthly level. It shows Demand Qty Adj by material, with monthly columns from January 2026 through December 2026. The name box is highlighted so you can jump directly to the target cell. After clicking the name box, enter Q7 and press Enter. In this example, Q7 is the July 2026 Demand Qty Adj cell for material IBP 100. After pressing Enter, cell Q7 is selected. The formula bar is highlighted for input, so enter the new monthly value in the selected cell. Now, the formula bar shows the entered value, such as 100. Click the confirmation tick to accept the value in the worksheet. After confirming the entry, the value 100 is visible in the July 2026 cell. Click Save Data in the SAP IBP ribbon to save the aggregated monthly value back to SAP IBP. After saving the data, the worksheet remains at the monthly level and the new value is retained. Click Edit View to change the planning view settings and review the disaggregated result at a lower time level. After clicking Edit View, the Edit Planning View window opens on Time Settings. The time level field is highlighted and currently shows month. Click the Time Level dropdown. After opening the Time Level dropdown, the available levels are displayed, including day, week technical, week, month, quarter, and year. Select Week so the saved monthly value is displayed at the weekly level. After selecting Week, the time level field shows week. Click OK to apply the setting to the worksheet. After confirming the settings, the worksheet refreshes with weekly period columns. In this example, the monthly value 100 is distributed evenly as 20 across the relevant week buckets for July 2026. Showing how equal distribution disaggregation spreads the saved monthly Demand Qty Adj value to lower-level time periods. In summary, equal distribution disaggregation across time periods starts with a key figure configured with disaggregation mode set to equal distribution. Then the planning view saves an aggregated value and displays the disaggregated result at a lower time level. In this workflow, a Demand Qty Adj value is entered and saved at the monthly level, and then the value is distributed evenly across the relevant weekly buckets when the view changes to week. The exact planning area, key figures, periods, values, templates, fields, and settings may vary by system setup and planning configuration. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.